Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy here. In today's video, I'd like to talk a little bit about what happens when you don't change the oil in your engine for a really long time. I'm working on this 2002 RL today that has the 3.5 liter engine, and I can tell that in its past that it had extended oil change intervals. And the reason I can tell this is because, one, there's a massive oil leak, and oil leaks are very common in vehicles that don't get the oil changed frequently enough. And here's a perfect example of what happens to all, not just the valve cover gaskets, but all of the rubber seals in an engine suffer this fate over time. You know how hard that is? How brittle? That should not stand up on end like that at all. In fact, I could probably break it. Yeah, see how brittle? Same with these. And as they become brittle, they no longer seal. So the rubber needs to be pliable, it needs to conform to temperatures and all that. It can't do this. This is the new seal that I'm about to put in, and you can see that it's all rubber and pliable. Here's an old cam seal, and here's a new cam seal. And what I have here is my caliper, and here's the old seal. Get that on there, and you can see that that's 2807 millimeters. And that was leaking pretty badly, and here's the new seal. And this is 28.22 millimeters. So there is a difference. I might even be able to find a different one. Yeah, here's 27.83 millimeters. So even if we're taking an average, we've lost almost a millimeter on one seal just because of how this degrades because of the oil that has not been changed. So what do you do if you're faced with an expensive repair like this and you have massive oil leaks like this engine does? Well, it's sad to say that there's nothing in a bottle or a can that I think you can pour into the engine that's going to magically make these seals pliable and seal up again. You're just going to have to bite the bullet and replace the damaged seals. For me, it's all about preventative maintenance. Personally, I change my conventional oil every 5,000 miles, and if I'm running synthetic, I change it every 7,000 to 8,000 miles. You can start running high mileage oil, which has special seal conditioners, like around 60,000 miles or so. That could also be helpful. But the takeaway here is it's all about preventative maintenance. The point is that you want to keep an eye on your oil levels, and you want to make sure that you change it on a regular basis. There is no single thing that you can do to increase the longevity of your engine more than regular maintenance, and especially regular oil changes. So I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have automotive questions not covered here, I'll put a link in the description to EricTheCarGuy.com. Aside from that, be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and don't forget to change your oil. I'll see you next time.